Hey guys, what's going on? This is Zimensky here, and I'm going to quickly show you guys how I plan, here I'll comment this later, how to fix this key is already being in use problem that you guys keep seeing. And in the video, actually, if you watch the video, I actually do this way, and that's why it works. I guess I didn't really explain it very well. That's what this video is going to be about. So in this video, you need to go to your start, computer, C drive, program files, go all the way down to Steam, Steam apps, common, Call of Duty World at War, and you'll see your LAN fixes. Make sure you made a copy of these. Okay, you didn't right click and make a shortcut, or send to the desktop and make a shortcut. Don't make shortcuts. Otherwise, it'll use the same program. Okay, you don't want that. You don't want shortcuts. You want two of these actual physical copies and actual physical pastes. That way, it's using separate processing in your taskbar. You'll see it actually, when I click this one, it'll pop up in here under your processes. It'll show Call of Duty World at War or COD WAW LAN fix, and then you click on this one and it'll say COD WAW LAN fix 2. Okay, so that makes it two separate applications, just like this Flash player is doing right now. Actually, it looks like it's exactly the same, but whatever, Flash player, just be smarter than me. Alright, so anyways, so you have two of these. And when you click on this one, you get the window, right? And then you click on the other one, you get the other window, and then also it gives you this error saying the key is already in use. I know why it's doing that. I gotta have to do it. So if you go to Start, and you go to Computer, and you go to C, and you go to Users, click on your username, whatever your username is, whoever you log in as, Appadata, okay? Local, Activision, Call of Duty World at War, Players, Profiles, okay? And I'm actually gonna delete this really quick. Don't just never mind that. Alright, so you're in here. Alright, so you're in here. You're in Call of Duty. You're in C users. Your username, mine's Z-Man. You can look right here. It says your username. If you don't know who you're logging in as, I don't even know why you're trying this tutorial. Anyways, Appadata, Local, Activision, COD World at War, Players, Profiles. Once you're here, you'll see probably only one. You probably won't see any of these. Okay? You'll only have one. You need to physically copy and physically paste. I don't know how to explain that any better. Okay? And it'll say Zimensky8/copy. You can't have any spaces, but you can make it whatever you want. So I'm just gonna put player 1 with no space, and then I'm gonna make a copy of player 1 and I'm gonna paste it again, and I'll wait for it to copy. Done. Then I'll rename this one player 2, and these are gonna be examples, and I'm making this as we go. This is really important. This is the reason why you're getting a key error. So inside these, if you haven't already, you need to open this with the config file. It just says config. You need to open this with, wow, I don't know why I clicked open with anyways, but you gotta open this with Notepad. There we go. You gotta open this with Notepad. Okay. So open this with Notepad. You'll just see this, like, it's a mess. You're not gonna find anything. Okay. If you go over here and go to Find, so you go to Edit, not File, Edit, Find, type FULL, full, hit Enter twice. You'll see, if you go down here, that it said full screen. Okay, so right here at full screen it says 0. Normally it says 1. If it says 1, change it to 0. I apparently already did this. Okay. And save. Do the same for this. Make sure it says 0. I'm sure it does. Alright, yeah, it says 0. So make sure that's a 0 in the parentheses. Okay? That's not hard. That's really nothing. Alright. Now let me explain something. Okay. When you double click on Call of Duty Land Fix, the first one, it goes into this path and looks at this active.txt. Whatever's here in the first line is what what profile it loads. So if I click this right now, it'll load up zmansk88 because that's what's in here. Okay, in your active.txt, zmansk88 is in here. See? I'm offline, but yeah, whatever. zmansk88. SK88. Alright. So, well, how to make these other players? We just made these copies. You want to use them, right? I mean, you want 2 players. You want maybe even 3 players. I don't know. Whatever. You just do the same thing over. So, instead of whatever you do, do not double click this and then double click this. That's what's giving you that error. You go in here. You type in the one that you want. So if you want player, wow, don't hit caps lock. All right, player 1. Okay, save, run the first one. It'll load up player 1. I guarantee it. Player 1. Okay, now player 1's already up and running, so he's still here. He's not going anywhere anytime soon. Okay, I'm just gonna click away, but he's still, see, he's still there. He's still running. He's still in the background. He didn't go nowhere. Now don't double click this. You need to go back into your active and change it to your other profile, whatever you want to call it. I'm just using player 1 and player 2 as examples. Alright, so now I change it to 2. See how it's 2? Now I run this second one. Alright, and this will, I guarantee it, say player 2. Ta-da, player 2. I hope that's not too loud, but regardless, see, and now I have 2 windows, literally 2 windows running down here. One's got player 1 and one's got player 2. The reason why you're getting that error was because you were loading the same player on 2 different windows, and it says the key, and if you look in the console, which I'm sure you guys don't care about, but I'm just gonna tell you anyways, in the console it is actually saying that this profile is already in use, so you can't open up another one. That's why. That's why it says it's also on another PC, which it really isn't, but it thinks it is because it's not meant to run 2 windows. Yes. So I know that's really confusing, but really just remember that when you want 2 windows to open up with the same program, make a copy of the executable, which is the land fix in this case. Set what you want the first one to be. You want the first one to be player 1. Go in here. You have to go in here every time you want to open up a different player. Okay? Every time. You load it. This is player 1. So, player 1. You change this. You put player 2. You have to do it in this order. You have to. You cannot do it in any other way. You go like this. And you run number 2. Okay? And if I want, I'll even demonstrate a third. How about that? That'll really prove things. Alright, we're gonna turn this down. Alright. So we also, I'm gonna make a third. Okay? I'm gonna make a copy of this. We're gonna have 3 windows running. We're gonna have 3 players. Split screening it up all night. Alright, so we're going to put a 3. This is just my method of doing it. You don't have to do it this way. It works. Do it this way. You don't have to, but up to you. Copy. Paste. Okay, so I copied this. Made a 3rd. I copied this. And I'm making it. You got it. Player 3. Alright. In his inside his config file, he's already full screen 0, which means no full screen, means window mode. Alright, and in active text, you need to switch this to a 3. And now it is okay to run landfix 3. Sorry, it's slow. My computer's really not made to run 3 Call of Duty World at War games, but some people's computers might be. I already got feedback that actually one is, or somebody's is. So there you go. You got player 1, player 2, player 3, all on here. I could go up to 4 or 5, whatever. My computer might not be able to handle it, especially while recording the screen. But yeah, so that's how you fix it. You have to go into here, click on one of these, change the active.text to whatever you want the next one to be, then go back over here. So back, forth, every time. That's it. And if you look at the main video, you'll see I do this. I just didn't explain it as well as I did here. I hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any more problems with it. From this point on, I know you guys can get it to work. Keep trying.